Using Business Visuals by me, Carolyn Johnson. Here we have a web page that I've made for Intermountain Healthcare. Their original web page was a little outdated. So what I've created is a new web page that I do believe our patients will enjoy. It does have the name in it. It does have a page or a link, whereas our patients can actually click on home, appointments, contact, services, and a link that talks about our company itself. I do have pictures here that talks about they can click on this link for our lab, our x-ray department, our pediatric department, our family practice department, our obstetrician department, and our internal medicine department. All the patient would need to do is to click on these pictures or these images, and it will take them to that particular page, and they will be able to schedule their appointments and get history on all of the doctors. Visual organization. Visual organization is the first process to creating a web page or a website. It is a strategic plan that sells the company to the community or viewers. First, we must determine what our audience is, or our biggest target audience. Next, we must find out what the audience needs. In our case, the targeted audience are people who are seeking medical care. I have created a patient survey chart so that we may obtain this information. I have arranged the answers in a chart and a graph. This key information will give us an idea of how to create our web page, which is what I've just showed you at the beginning of this presentation. Here we have the graph and the information. What I've done, I've surveyed 100 patients, male and female, and from here, I should say 200 patients. And from here, what I've done, I put in the information that we would need for the web page. The first one is new design, easy use, clinic hours, holiday hours, and the doctors available. And you can see from the graph that it appears to me that the females appears to be a little bit more conservative as opposed to the males. Visual communication is the best way to capture the audience, but also it needs to be simple. This medical website is informative, but also has a simple and professional look. The lines are straight and the background has a light blue color. The color is a calm, non-intimidating color. For many internet users, it can be frustrating. It can be a frustrating experience. So I used familiar images to connect to the services with the pictures. Viewers will connect the texture message to the picture. For example, a nurse and a baby informs the viewer we offer pediatric services. Visual interactivity. To further enhance the viewer experience on our website, I have made it interactive. Viewers are able to click on any picture to obtain detailed information on services offered through the clinic. In the upper right portion of the webpage, it contains logistic information on the company. The viewer can click on any of the words to obtain company information. More importantly, it also contains information on the office hours and days. This concludes my presentation to you guys. If there's any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Have a great day.